Hello, my resilient physics students. Here we go into week 6 of remote learning. So we're headed to Canvas again. And for our seniors, make sure that you're reading this important information about graduation and how they're going to be filming graduation. And then we'll head down to our physics course, whichever one you're in, they're the same. And then scroll down, we're to the second half of Unit 9. Okay, so we're going to be looking at April 27th through May 1st. So we'll get into May. Yay! Here's the link to this video if you need to watch it again to get those instructions. And then we're going to be looking at 9.3 and 9.4. And then notice, I haven't published it yet, but next week is going to be the quiz for this unit. Okay, so that means we're going to finish up material for this unit this week, and then next week you're going to take some study time, and then you're going to take the quiz for this unit. So same as we've been doing, read the material, take notes on your reading, do the self-check to make sure that you're understanding what you read, and then fill out the answers on the targeted review. Now I do want to tell you guys I need a little bit more detail from you on your targeted review answers. One sentence is probably not enough to get a complete and clear answer. So plan on giving me at least 2 sentences per answer on your targeted review. I've left comments on some of your assignments about that, and just know that I'll be marking down points from here if your answers are not detailed enough to completely cover and explain the question. Okay? So this week, 9.3 and 9.4. All right, guys. Well, as always, let me know if you have any questions at all. Send me an email. I'll get right back to you. If you're missing anything, get it in as soon as possible. If you want to turn in test corrections for Unit 8 quiz, you can still do that. And after you do those corrections, if you'd like to retake the quiz at that point, then I'll send you the code and let you do that. So let me know. No, I'm here to help you. I miss you guys. I'm really sad that we're not going to be making it back to school for the remainder of the year, but know that I care about you and that I want to help you. So send me emails if you need that. Okay? I'll talk to you guys next week.